Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the bloom effect in Blender. First, open Blender and ensure you are in the Eevee render engine, as bloom is a post-processing effect. Navigate to the Render Properties tab, which looks like a camera icon. Here, you'll find the bloom checkbox. Simply enable it to activate the basic bloom effect in your scene. This initial step is crucial for adding that desired glow. Once bloom is enabled, you'll see several settings appear. The threshold value dictates how bright a pixel needs to be before it starts blooming. A lower value means more areas will glow. Radius controls the spread of the glow, making it larger or smaller. Intensity adjusts the overall brightness of the bloom. Experiment with these three core settings to achieve your desired visual impact. Beyond the basics, you can further refine your bloom. The color option lets you introduce a specific hue to your glow, perhaps a warm orange or a cool blue. Clamp is useful for preventing overexposure, setting a maximum brightness for the bloom. The knee value helps create a smoother, more natural transition from bright objects to their glowing halos. These advanced controls offer precise artistic direction. Remember, less is often more with bloom. Excessive use can make your scene look washed out. Consider combining bloom with other effects like screen space reflections or ambient occlusion for a richer visual experience. Always render a few test frames to see how your bloom settings look in motion. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.